सीझन मध्ये सुद्धा मोदी होते आणि दुसऱ्या सीझन मध्ये सुद्धा मोदीच आहेत.
थैंक यू फॉर दिस वार्म वेलकम. ये बहुत बढ़िया मुकाबला होने वाला है. वी आर ऑल लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस. और एक सरप्राइज कमेंटेटर भी हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं. सरप्राइज कमेंटेटर का नाम है मुस्तकीन शेख. मुस्तकीन शेख भी जो पैलेडिन रॉयल के ओनर है, अब क्योंकि सीधा फाइनल में चले गए हैं तो ये टाइम कैसे गुजारे, तो हमारे साथ कमेंट्री में जुड़ रहे हैं.
नहीं दे रहे हो तुम बैठने की.
एक चेयर प्लीज मूसा भाई के लिए मुकम्मल की जाए.
मैं इधर बैठूंगा भाई, बाहर बैठूंगा ना. क्या
हाँ, बाहर बैठो. और चंदू सर, अच्छा लग रहा है सेटअप, जो लेवल है क्रिकेट का, और ये जो जिस तरीके से जो मैचेस चल रहे हैं. और ये देखिए बाउंड्री, एक प्लेयर से कितना फर्क पड़ सकता है, इसका ये नतीजा है. सिड महीचा इज इन द टीम एंड जस्ट स्टार्ट्स विद अ बैंग. बढ़िया बाउंड्री.
खूप चांगलं. मी दर्शनजी, माझ्यासाठी ही नवीन बाब आहे. मी आतापर्यंत टर्फच्या फक्त 3च टुर्नामेंट केल्यात आणि 3ही वेळेला विजयदादांनी बोलवलेलं आहे. फक्त हे 3च वेळ आहेत आयुष्यात ज्या वेळेला मात्र टर्फवर कॉमेंट्री करायला मिळाली, परंतु क्वालिटी वेगळी आहे आणि त्याचमुळे एक वेगळी मजा आहे. फटका समोर, परंतु तिकडे फिल्डर आहेत, त्यांच्याच हातात बॉल जाईल. विकेटचं पतन.
एंड
यस, हमारे साथ मुस्तकिम शेख सर भी जुड़ चुके हैं पैलेडिन रॉयल के, और जो टीम उनकी फाइनल में दाखिल हो चुकी है. सर, आपका भी तहे दिल से स्वागत.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. आपका मेरे को वो डायलॉग बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब बाउंड्री या सिक्स आती है. सीमा रेशा पार, छटकार.
हेलो. हाँ, तो मूसा भाई, क्या लगता है इस मुकाबले में आप किसे सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं?
ये बहुत ही मनोरंजन मुकाबला है. दिस has been a very crazy match because so I am supporting entertainment and we've seen these two teams perform in some big leagues, but catches make matches. You cannot be losing out on a crucial player like Uzef.
Yes, exactly. I think he is a match-winning player, I'd say, across all formats, all turfs. He's proven his worth. That is why he's so highly rated. And the icon. But if you see Mustaqeen Bhai, Huzaifa has come out with a different approach. He's just taken on the bowling as soon as he's on the wicket. He's been trying very hard, not successful nevertheless, but he's at least showing some intent. What do you have to say about that?
I think you're 100% right on this angle because the way all monsters played with us as against to Kandari Kings, we see them really high on spirit at the moment. It's a very, very, very crucial match to go to the next round. We've seen some really young boys playing in the last match from Danger 11 side. Afsar, in fact, I just called my Jersey guy to ask if he can make a orange cap also for him. But having said that, it's a very crucial match and I think the teams are leading it really well.
Oh yes, and we're all together because of the community of cricket that we play in, and we are missing one of our very dear friends, Kazim, because there are very few people who I can make fun of so publicly, and he's not here, so I'm really missing him. I hope I see him soon. Again, the intent that we were talking about, Huzef goes for an expansive drive, just gets a single.
If you see, Huzef was a lot low last time, but this time if you see, he's going for the big shots right early on. And this is the main crucial aspect where all monster can take it up really hard.
That's exactly what I wanted to say. And if you see the batting lineup that is to follow, as far as we're talking about all monsters, it is very dangerous because then we have the leading run scorer who's going to come in next, Junaid. He's been in fine touch, amazing form. And that's a no ball. Doesn't go for a single because Huzef thinks he can have a better probability of hitting this one out of the ground.
Huzef is charging really hard if you go to see, and I think this is all that is needed. He wants the D player to go back home, and you saw in our match as well. I think Dave D was called back by giving a purposeful wicket. The whole strategy is the amount of balls that were wasted in our match is what they're trying to avoid right online. You see Junaid walking in again. Junaid is a fine player, and giving him the leverage to play early on with some good scoreboard.
It's a maximum
with-
deliveries to follow. It's always a good take, I would say.
Yeah, and with this level of tournament that we are playing today, that's a bad luck. Now that's a bad luck. Hussaif goes down.
That's a
And-
bad luck, but that's a great catch, I would say. It's a very nice reflex catch, and kudos to the wicket keeper or the captain who's rightly placed the fielder.
I was just coming to that, very good job by the captain by placing Rizwan in this angle. If you remember in our match as well, we had placed little on the on-track Nizam, and I think he dropped it because he was out of angle. But it was very nice of the captain to place Rizwan right there. You've seen him again back in the ducks. I think that's a good thought. But having said, we were talking about the tournament, and the level of work that has been happening on the tournament is great.
Well, many of us think this tournament belongs to Vijay Dada, but
But I would like to,
I would like to
take this
take two
opportunity.
names actually.
Mainly, yeah. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank KP and Harsh Survey. I think KP, Sohail, these guys have been working really hard on the tournament. I see kick.
That is what Junaid brings, and he looks like a man on mission.
Yeah,
walked
it's
in.
been told. We have our fine owner Junaid Bhai in the ground, and that makes the difference for all monsters. I think in our match, all the
18 runs after the end of 2 overs.
all monsters lacked one thing when they were playing against the Paladin is the presence of Junaid Sharif on ground.
Yes, and it was slightly overpowered the environment by you. So that was also one of the takeaways that I saw.
I think that is the reason that I was called today. I haven't played a single match, and my team thinks that I'm fit to be out to sledge and to give them outside inputs. But having said that, KP, wherever he is, I would like to give him a big thank you.
Your fans have been messaging me, Musa bhai. They want to see you in action. Action on the ground, like on cricket.
I know my son also called me up right now and said, Baba, I didn't see you play. And, oh, we have the cake here. Can we cut you? Please come here.
Kazim, you're needed at the commentary box as soon as possible. I think.
Well, Kazim has a very crucial role to play on the owners group, then on the dugout to have the commentary box. He's playing a fine role of supporting his team via the owners group. But I don't believe what is he doing there.
Okay, so Kazim bhai giving some. Kazim, we would like to invite you to the commentary box. If you would please come here. Just move your feet and come here. It's not a difficult task, please. The chart can wait, bro. The chart can wait. You can have.
No. The chart should go on because we need to have some couple of chats before he comes in with the chart.
Please take your time, Kazim.
Well, he plays a good role to chart. That's exactly what I've been seeing on the group, and it was on my mouth to say that. But thanks to Sohail, Sohail took me around to have that chart, and the chart is really well. So he can do the chart before he comes here.
I would call this match as the match of the Red Giants. Both red teams and veterans of turf cricket. Musa bhai, if
But
I
you
were
see
to ask you a question.
new players, new faces to each of these teams.
Yes.
A couple of players have moved their red jerseys from KK to All Monsters. Especially, I was talking about Sufyan.
Yeah, but he's been rested in this match.
Is he?
He has been rested in this match for their own reasons.
That's a controversial subject to talk on, and I would like to take.
No, there's nothing. I'm just informing you about what's going on in this world. And this has been called as a fast delivery. It's not allowed. And as we see, the umpires very, very, very strict on the illegal deliveries. and that's a great job done by the umpires. The
I must say that
concentration
too.
level.
I side with you on this opinion because when we were playing, we could see the umpires taking a lot of effort to catch on these sidearms and fast balls. No doubt, couple of them may have got missed, but in the interest of the game, and the game must go on.
So Musa bhai, two teams, the Red Giants. Can you just name two players that you would pick from each side? Some of your favorites.
Danish Faruqi is one of my favorite go-to player, but unfortunately Junaid Bhai never leaves him, and I don't get an opportunity to bid on him. But having said that, I share such a beautiful rapport with JB that I cannot go against his will and wish also. Is why we have Junaid Bhai, I think, shares the same rapport with me. And with while we were talking about the rapport with JB and me, is why he has Qasim to do all the talking for him.
Musa bhai, what do you have to? You haven't picked a player from the Kandari Kings. Please pick your player.
I think Kandhar. So from Kandari side, I believe Jainam. Jainam has played for Paladin, if you know about it.
I know about this.
So Jainam is one my look to at from the Kandari side, along with Ponting. Ponting has been such a fabulous guy on the field. I see him taking some beautiful catches last match.
That's an expensive drive. And
This is
just when-
exactly why I tell you I like Danish Faruqi.
I think your words have boosted him up. He's been in and out as far as his form is concerned, but this time, when the big matches come and when the team needs, he is up to the task. Look at him play. Look at him so determined. But I think there's something that we are missing out on. On every six, I think we should give the mic to Chandu sir so that he can just come up with his dialogue.
Oh yeah, of course, yes, please.
So please, and DJ,
We must have some
Hit it
good
up.
music, we cannot
do you
be
have
so
any
quiet.
requests?
This is a
Some
beautiful
particular
match.
number that you want to listen to? Considering Aaj Ki Raat was your recommendation,
That was Keur Bhai's recommendation and I don't mind hearing it again. Keur Bhai, this is for you.
11 minutes. Score? 35 runs.
Kandari Kings, there's one more small message coming in from the umpires on your timer.
You have 11 minutes to bowl 4 overs or else you'll have to face the penalty. So the captain
Well,
of
that
Kandari
penalty
Kings.
is also a big task to
It's a big
manage.
task, yes.
Having two players going out of your ring is something really.
Is very crucial.
Crucial, very
It's
crucial.
bigger than the power play.
I think Dada should consider having this rule eliminated for the final matches because that's a time-consuming match and we cannot put the players under the pressure of the 20 minutes tag and the umpires as well.
I think Vijay Dada's smile has said it all, and I think he's saying no.
He
But,
waved no as well, but there's always a chance, if we have all monsters back to play with us in the finals, the presence of Junaid Bhai and myself will help convince Dada to have that removed.
Are you indirectly saying that Kandari Kings is losing this match?
No, I didn't say that, but I would love to play all monsters in the final again.
As we speak, there's someone missing again. Kazim is not here.
Well, I think his family may not be missing as much as you do on the commentary box.
Oh yes, they
There's
are
some
very-
special rapport that I believe you share
yes,
with him.
yes, yes. He's my neighbor actually. So his office is right next to mine, and he
Oh, I
meets
believe
me
I
for
thought that
smoke.
after today's chat he shifted to Borivali.
I think your
Or is he
presence-
saying staying back in your house tonight?
your presence is always going to just push him away from your house. Anyway, let's get back to the match, and I think this is an exciting tournament.
What a sensible cricket happening here, and Junaid is doing the honors for his team.
And he's the key wicket. That is what Kandhari will want. And this could be a
That
catch.
could be a very important wicket.
That is out. And the danger man goes. This is bad news for Team All Monsters. They
Junaid,
don't
but
wanna
I
see the
must tell
back
you, if
of-
you're listening to me and you're walking back with your shoulders down, I must tell you that you play a fantastic level of cricket and do good honors for your team. And I believe we'll try to take you in Paladin and wear you the orange cap.
That's an amazing offer. I think by the end of the tournament, Paladin Royal is going to be a team of 30 people.
Do we have the cake to cut tonight? Soil, I would like to have a couple of words with you if you'd like to join me in the commentary box. For the amount of efforts that you and KP have put in to have this beautiful show here, we'd like to thank the effort of traveling. The amount of traveling that we do to reach here is not a joke. I think Junaid Bhai also was trying to tell me that we took him almost an hour to reach here, and the same goes with me. But all that energy that we lose traveling, and when we come to the ground, the effort that you put in, and the fantastic show that you have here, I think it gets us back to the jack.
It is the same that we traveled to Chu while playing your tournament. So we wanted to give you all the same feeling on a different ground, but at our home ground.
But the way you've made up this home ground as a fantastic level of a show, we'd like to appreciate that. It would have been great, Darshan, if you could have had KP walking around the commentary box to take a couple of bites from him. I see him only working around throughout the day. I don't see him sitting back watching the match. We have the cake walking towards us. Is he joining us in the commentary box?
The nation wants to know. I have been getting calls.
The handover of mic is happening. Goes to you.
थँक यू मुसा.
टेनिस क्रिकेटचा सिक्सर किंग नरेश चावला पापे स्पोर्टचे ओनर आणि त्यांचे बंधू चिराग यांचं या ठिकाणी आगमन होतं. चिरागजी आपलं हार्दिक स्वागत असेल. आणि माझ्या बरोबरने जर पाहिलं तर काझिम सर देखील जुडले जात आहेत आणि मोदी तर आहेतच.
मोदी है तो मुमकिन है.
Kazim, I want to welcome you to the commentary box. What language are you very comfortable in?
What do you need?
Like, how much education have you had in your life? Maybe then we can decide if I can talk to you in English or you just want
Education
to
I'm going to
continue.
start now in the next 2 years. But thank you so much, Darshan. I knew you were missing me. I could sense it when I was watching the matches.
Yes, I was missing you because there are very few people who don't take offense when I make fun of them. And you are
Likewise,
certainly one of them. What took you so long? I don't think you're such a busy man actually. But you've not come here since I don't know how many days. So what's keeping you away? Are you under some superiority complex because Sohail and KP have done such a wonderful job?
I heard Kishore Kumar. Somebody saying Kishore Kumar बहुत अच्छा काम किए. So Kishore has actually done a good job. All of y'all actually. And it's been fun watching also. So keep it up. And we've been having some small events at some clubs, so we've been busy over there. And tomorrow also we have an auction at Otters Club, so we are a little busy over there.
Oh, that's great. That's great to hear the amount of work that you're putting in for cricket. And what do you have to say about this match, this contest, the heavyweights, the red giants, I would call, Kandari Kings against All Monsters?
Red versus red. This is going to be a difficult match for both the teams. They're going to fight it off till the last ball, I'm sure. At the moment, Kandari is looking on top a little.
Yes, right now I think we have to give it to Kandari. They've played some fantastic cricket. The field positions, the bowling changes have been wonderful. Been able to see the back of Joseph, Junaid, people who've really performed in this tournament. And as we speak, a white ball.
That's well driven and single taken easily. Hanoi has been kept busy this tournament. He's playing well. I've been watching him. Machi, as they call him, Hanoi.
So the same question that I asked Musa Bhai, who are your favorite players among the two sides?
Obviously, Jainam is a very good talent, and we also have Danny, Huzef, Junaid performing on the other
No, I
side.
asked one. Don't be politically correct. Just
One,
one.
I would say at the moment for this tournament, I think Junaid team has really come out good.
And what do you have to say about the allegations that have been put on you by Musa Bhai about your interference in the owners group? Why are you taking so much interest on the final day? You've not been there since so many days and suddenly you just come in. Oh, as we speak, a wicket, but it's not saving you from this difficult answer. Kazim.
Yeah, so when I got up in the morning, I saw so many messages in our group
Yeah.
about what has happened and some rules not being followed. So I had to put it across. They asked me, you have to voice it out. So I had to do it for the team. You know, I've always been supporting all monsters. Nothing against the organizers, obviously. Because as soon as I put in a message, you called me.
Yeah, I had to call you to shut you up actually. All monsters looking in a very difficult position as of now. Another white ball. Wides extras have been really hurting. 44 runs. So 2 overs are still pending. And another expensive drive, not to be, just a single instead. 5 overs have been bowled and the score moves on to
45, I guess.
45 runs.
So they still have 12 balls and 20 runs maybe and make a match of it.
Yes, this is going to be a crucial match. It's going to be pressure both sides. All monsters have some really good bowlers, so it's now up to the batsmen to give them a good total so that they can defend it. And on the other hand, Kandari Kings will be looking to just get it done as cheaply as possible.
Janit. I guess the snacks must be provided by Smarty.
What makes you say that?
That's a good catch.
That's a
big
relay
wicket.
catch.
Another wicket falling for all monsters. How many wickets have fallen?
Seven wickets are down.
So 45 for 7, 11 balls to go. They need to give Hanoi as much strike as possible.
I think the key over here will be to play the 12 balls successfully so that you can get as many runs as possible.
Yes, rightly said, they need to play out both the overs.
Oh, that's a good shot.
And that's a boundary.
And goes for a boundary, exactly what the doctor ordered.
Finally, a much needed boundary from all monsters.
And the
Hamid.
score moving on. Slowly but surely they are just reaching a good total. This is going to be a crucial match, a good match, I suppose.
This is going to be all monsters versus Jainam.
No, Kandari Kings have a balanced batting attack. Not just Jainam. Jainam obviously is the cherry on the cake, but... and that's an amazing hit. Converts that into a full toss. Look at his footwork. He's just moving 3 steps ahead and just converting the ball into a full toss and just hitting it for a 6.
He's actually been a good find for all monsters in this tournament. He's opening the bowling, getting some big sixes in the end. Hamid is definitely a player to watch out. Very well driven again, but straight to the fielder. Single taken.
Rightly so. Once you get the big hits, just go for the single so that the scoreboard keeps ticking. That's a wide ball. Extras is what hurts the bowling side. Kazim, what do you have to say about that?
Definitely, Ben, the pitch over here is difficult to control. I've been watching. Every team has been giving away about 18 to 20 runs only. in
And
extras.
another 6 as we speak. Exactly what all monsters would want.
So 6 overs completed. Let's check the score.
63 runs after 6 overs. So if this can be a big over, it is going to be. So, Danny.
Then you can't come in. Final warning.
Says who? You.
But I'm very lenient like that. Don't worry.
I know how lenient you are. Some insightful.
I can also see
Thoughts?
Dhaval over there. Is that Dhaval?
Yeah, that's Dhaval.
Oh. "64 on the board, 5 balls to go. Vinod. No ball.
That's a no ball. To the delight of the all monsters. 1 ball and 2 runs have been scored. And what I'm seeing here, there's something that I've noticed. All monsters was in a difficult position. Junaid Bhai left his place. He went out. And he's not coming back until the innings is getting over. I caught you, Junaid Bhai.
We've got a lot of tricks like that up our sleeves.
Why are you involving yourself? Stop taking credit for everything, bro. There have been questions on your WhatsApp skills, so I think you should just delete that app now, Kazim. That's another white ball.
Very well judged by Hamid.
So as you see, 4 runs have been scored off 2 balls.
They need one big hit. Steps out, but straight to pointing. They can take a second. And very well completed. Hinoy is quick.
Very quick. That's amazing presence of mind there by Hanoi. They are making a match out of this.
He swims through the field. That's why they call him Machi.
He swims through the what?
The field.
Oh, you impressive the way you're talking. I thought your grammar is very limited, but impressive. Another expansive drive. This could be curtains, and I think it is.
So waiting for the umpire's decision. And is it a dot or is it 2 runs? Let's wait and watch. We have a very professional MC umpire, Mr. Prague, coming in.
Prague.
Prague. Manish, how are you? So I see Musa has actually come in with his full gang. I just spotted Darshan. Darshan, how are you? I can see. Even I can see Crazy also. Is that Crazy?
Yeah, he's a crazy guy.
So Musa always needs his gang around.
Some some eventful insights there by Musa bhai. I think you should take them seriously, Kazim, and stop with your activities.
So 2 runs have been added in that. 2 runs. Let's just check the score. 3 balls remain in the final over. 71. for
Don't change
7.
the topic. I think you've been going through some insults.
But Musa bhai, Musa bhai, we have to respect him. Whatever he says, no problem.
We have to, as in, you don't do it naturally.
That's why you called me early in the morning. That's why you called me early in the morning.
Yeah, because I respect him so much. I was asking you to just shut up. Another no ball. So as I was saying, extras are hurting Team Kandhari Kings, and what looked to be a great position for them midway is now turning out to be not so good. Vinod has already bowled a lot of no balls. Junaid, by denying his arrival inside the turf, he thinks he can score as many as he wants while he's standing outside, and it's exactly what is
So
happening.
72 on the board. Free hit delivery coming up. Very well driven, but just a single, giving the strike back to Hanoi. Can he convert one? Very important 2 balls coming up.
It's last ball to go.
Full toss, but to the roof. There was a chance, missed out. And they're going for the second. We'll have to check.
I think that's another referral, so the umpires are in action again, and all monsters don't seem to be very unhappy with the total that they've achieved, and it's a fighting total, and with the quality of bowling and fielding that all monster brings in, it is going to be a tough ask. But on the other hand, Kandhari Kings, they have a formidable batting lineup. If they can click, nothing like it. $75 to win.
So 1 run has been added. 74 is what they've managed. 75 is the target for Team Kandhari Kings.
I'm very impressed by the D category players of Kandhari Kings, especially with Kishan and Rizwan, both of them very explosive batsmen on the top. If they can just get into the groove, it's going to be very difficult for all monsters to contain them. So hoping to have a good bowler in the first over, can't take them lightly at all.
I think normally Hamid is being bowling the first over. But yeah, Rizwan and Kishan, they've been really batting well, giving them good starts.
Musa bhai, any insightful words? I think it was towards you.
And to you also to shut up. It was to you also.
And rightly so, memento being given by Pape Sports.
So 75 is the target for Kandari Kings. It's going to be a tough match for both the teams. Rizwan is not happy with the score.
Yes. 75 runs to win. The last time around when Kandari Kings was facing All Monsters got the better of them. Although Yash Tikkal played an amazing innings, Junaid Bhai also. That's a no ball for the sidearm, I think.
So straight
away a free hit, exactly what the doctor ordered for Kandari Kings. And just a single, so 2 runs added to the total after 1 legal delivery being bowled. Kazim.
1 ball, 2. Smarty. That's a good delivery, but very well played by Rizwan. Takes a single. Down the
A
leg
wide ball.
side. 1 run added.
Crazy. Do you want to speak on the mic? And a 6. That is what Kishan can do. That is what I was talking about. Kazim.
So exactly the start they needed, Kandari Kings. Kishan hitting a 6 very early on, putting Hamid under pressure.
Hello. That was another good shot there. Only 1 run although.
But that's well done. He hit a 6 and he takes a single. That's good thinking. Very good cricket being played, especially by the youngster Kishan. That's in the air. Oh, difficult. And can be a run out. He's back in time. So that's the dot ball. Edge to the offside and they take a single. First over completed.
12 runs without loss after the end of 1 over.
So very good start for Kandari Kings. 12 after the first over.
धन्यवाद मोदीजी आणि त्याचबरोबर काझिम सर. जाऊयात मॅचच्या दिशेने. ज्या ठिकाणी पहिली ओव्हर झाल्यानंतर धावसंख्या झालेली आहे 12 आणि अजूनही 6 ओव्हरमध्ये 63 करायचे आहेत. बॅटिंगसाठी मैदानाच्या आतमध्ये रिजवान स्ट्राईकला तर नॉन स्ट्राईकला किशन ही जोडी मैदानाच्या आतमध्ये आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते आणि बॉलिंगसाठी येत आहेत विनोद यादव फ्रॉम जलसा. ओहो, फटका समोर. वा, काय कॅच पकडली आहे. सूर मारलाय हवेमध्ये. एक जबरदस्त झेल त्या ठिकाणी घेतलाय. दानिशने कॅच पकडली आहे. लाजवाब. कॅचेस विन द मॅचेस असं म्हटलं जातं आणि काय कॅच पकडली आहे. लाजवाब. विकेट आली नव्हती आणि विनोद बॉलिंगला आले. विनोद अंडाराम क्रिकेट जलसा संघाकडून देखील तेवढेच जबरदस्त खेळलेत. परंतु आज या मानाच्या ॲडिक चॅम्पियन्स ट्रॉफीच्या पुढच्या फेरीमध्ये कोण जाणार म्हणजे सेमी फायनलला कोण जाणार याच्यासाठीची मॅच सुरू आहे. या बैला काही काळ हवेत बॉल जरूर होता. कव्हर्सला खेळलाय. तिकडे एक धाव मिळेल आणि स्कोर जर पाहिला तर आता 13 वर गेलाय. टाळ्यांचा गजर आवाज येऊ लागलाय. एका बाजूला जर पाहिलं तर कांदारी किंग्स आहे, एका बाजूला ऑलमोस्टर. हो 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 हो, बॅकफुटला गेले थोडेसे. बॉल आदळतोय पायाला आणि डॉट बॉल येईल. 33 बॉल 62. कट टू कट मॅच आहे. मॅच 50-50 आहे. बेस्ट वर्सेस बेस्ट. ओ समोर उडवला बॉल आणि हा बॉल जाईल सीमा रेषा पार. षटकार. 19 रन झालेले आहेत. किशन शहाच्या बॅट मधून आलेला हा फटका पाहायला मिळाला. 32 बॉल मध्ये अजूनही जर पाहिलं तर अब तक 56 ची आवश्यकता आहे. 19 फॉर लॉस ऑफ 1 विकेट. यावेळेला चांगला बॉल समोर खेळण्याचा प्रयत्न. अतिशय वेगात किशन तिकडे पोहोचले आणि तोपर्यंत जर पाहिलं तर एक धाव घेतली गेली आहे. ओव्हर नंबर 2 सुरू आहे. 20 धावा, 20 रन, 20. 31 बॉल 55 धावांची आवश्यकता. ऑल मॉन्स्टर वर्सेस कांदारी किंग. टर्फ क्रिकेटच्या 2 मातब्बर टीम. यावेळेला कव्हरची दिशा निवडली आहे. चांगला फटका अडवलाय बॉल. चांगली फिल्डिंग, थ्रो केलाय आणि 2 रन कंप्लीट. 2 रनने स्कोर पुढे गेलाय. 2 ओव्हरचा खेळ संपला. धाव संख्या झाली 22. अजूनही 5 ओव्हर बाकी आहेत रन करायचे ते 53. 30 गेंदों में 53 रनों की आवश्यकता है. 53 धावा करायच्या 5 ओव्हर मध्ये. निखिल पाटील आलेत बॉलिंग साठी. समोर जर पाहिलं तर या ठिकाणी किशन आणि पॉन्टिंग. चांगला बॉल परंतु धाव घेण्याचा प्रयत्न आणि तिकडे डायरेक्ट हिटही करण्याचा प्रयत्न होता. 1 रन मिळणार आहे. 23. 29 बॉल 52 रन. हो आणखीन एक जबरदस्त बॉल मात्र या ठिकाणी पाहायला मिळतोय. विकेट येते. मॅच जबरदस्त होणार आहे. धन्यवाद. दुसरी विकेट आली आहे 23 धावांवर. डीजे एक जबरदस्त मुकाबला आपण पाहतोय. एरिक चॅम्पियन्स ट्रॉफी सीझन 2 मध्ये एक महामुकाबला सुरू आहे. सेमी फायनल मध्ये जाण्यासाठीची लढत. एका बाजूला कांदारी किंग्स आणि दुसऱ्या बाजूला ऑल मॉन्स्टर्स. एका बाजूला जुनेस सरांची टीम आहे तर एका बाजूला विकी कांदारी. एक जबरदस्त मॅच पाहायला मिळणार आहे आणि बॅटिंग साठी आता येत आहेत जैनम. जैनमच्या नावाची चर्चा आहे सध्या टर्फ क्रिकेट मध्ये. बॅटिंग साठी आले जैनम शहा. समोर निखिल. चांगला बॉल. निखिल. नो बॉल कळवला जातोय. चोवीस धावा धाव फलकावर आहेत. एक महत्वाची मॅच आपल्याला या ठिकाणी पाहायला मिळते. क्वार्टर फायनल जो जिंकेल तो मात्र या ठिकाणी सेमी फायनल खेळताना पाहायला मिळेल. जैनम यावेळेला व्हाईट बॉल घोषित केला जातोय. स्कोर जर पाहिलं तर पुन्हा पुढे जाईल. 25 रन. 2 विकेट माघारी परतलेल्या आहेत. यावेळेला देखील व्हाईट बॉल. निखिल पुन्हा एकदा जैनमसाठी चांगला फटका समोरच्या दिशेने उडवलाय. 6 धावांसाठीच पाठवलाय. जैनमला 6 धावांची भाषा आवडते आणि जैनमच्या बॅटमधून येतोय षटकार. 32 अजूनही 26 बॉल आणि 43 ची आवश्यकता. डीजे या वेळेला रिवर्स फटका पाहायला मिळालाय. आज कांदारी किंग साठी आजचा दिवस चांगला राहिलाय. आज ओव्हरआर्म क्रिकेट राजेंद्र सानप मेमोरियल ट्रॉफी 2.5 लाख रुपयाची स्पर्धा बोरिवली MHB या ठिकाणी कांदारी किंग्स टीमने जिंकलेली आहे. त्यांचं विशेष अभिनंदन. आणि आज टर्फ क्रिकेटसाठी देखील त्यांना शुभेच्छा असतील. परंतु ऑल मॉन्स्टर देखील एक जबरदस्त टीम आहे. एक चांगली मॅच पाहायला मिळेल आपल्याला, कारण कांदारी किंग्स ओव्हरआर्म टीमचे व्यवस्थापक मॅनेजर मेंटॉर संतोष बंड या ठिकाणी उपस्थित आहेत. 33 लॉस ऑफ 2 विकेट. कांदारी किंग्स या वेळेला लॉफ केला जरूर, परंतु तिकडे फिल्डर थोडेसे दूर राहिले. 1 रन मिळणार आहे. 1 रनने स्कोर पुढे गेला. ओव्हर संपल्या 3 आणि रन झालेले आहेत ते मात्र 34. अजूनही मॅच जिंकण्यासाठी धावांची आवश्यकता असणार आहे ती. 24 गेंदे और 41 रनों की आवश्यकता. 4 ओव्हर मध्ये 41 रन करायचे आहेत. यावेळेला जर पाहिलं तर कव्हरच्या दिशेने स्ट्रोक खेळण्याचा प्रयत्न त्या ठिकाणी होताना पाहायला मिळाला. धावसंख्या जर पाहिली तर 1 ने पुढे जाईल. 35 धावा धावफलकावर. 2 विकेट माघारी परतलेल्या आहेत. बॉलिंगसाठी उझेफ खान बॅकफुटला जाऊन स्ट्रोक जर पाहिलं तर खेळला टॅप केलाय. जैनम आणि जैनमच्या जोडीला किशन शहा. किशन आणि जैनम एक प्रभावी बॅटर आहेत कांदारी किंग टीमचे. टर्फ क्रिकेटच्या दुनियेतील 2 मातब्बर टीम सध्या पाहायला मिळत आहेत. यावेळेला फटका एक्स्ट्रा कव्हरच्या दिशेने मारलाय आणि हा सुद्धा जाईल सीमारेषेच्या पार. 4 चौकार. 40 रन झालेले आहेत. 40 लॉस ऑफ 2 विकेट. अभी भी 21 गेंदों में 35 रनों की आवश्यकता इस मैच को जीतने के लिए. किशन और जैनम. अगली गेंद नो बॉल. ज्यादा बाहर की है गेंद और नो बॉल करार दिए अंपायर द्वारा. 41 रन बन चुके हैं अभी भी मैच जीतने के लिए. 21 गेंदे और 34. ओवर नंबर 4 चलता हुआ 41 रन बन चुके हैं. अभी भी 34 की आवश्यकता. अगली गेंद कवर्स की दिशा में खेलना चाहते थे. मिड ऑफ के फील्डर वहां आए और जब तक गेंद को फेंकते तब तक 2 रन पूरे किए. 2 रन से स्कोर आगे 43 पर. अभी भी 20 गेंदे और 32 की आवश्यकता. 20 बॉल आणि 32 धावांची आवश्यकता मॅचला जिंकण्यासाठी आहे. विकेट घ्याव्या लागतील ऑलमॉस्टरला मॅच मध्ये यायचं असेल तर. डॉट बॉल टाकावे लागतील. इकडे पुन्हा एकदा व्हाईट बॉल. स्कोर जर पाहिला तर 1 ने पुन्हा पुढे जाईल. 20 बॉल 31. विजयदादा मोजार आणि त्याचबरोबर जर पाहिलं तर संपूर्ण टर्फ टीम या स्पर्धेला आयोजित करतायत. दुसऱ्यांदा ही स्पर्धा होते आणि दादा माझं सुद्धा भाग्य आहे. टर्फ क्रिकेटची आयुष्यातील 3री स्पर्धा आहे आणि 3 वेळेला तुम्हीच बोलवलंय. परंतु टर्फ क्रिकेटमध्ये सुद्धा अगदी सगळे ओनर्स म्हणा प्लेयर्स म्हणा एक वेगळी मजा आहे. आणि यावेळेला मात्र टॅप केलाय बॉल. तोपर्यंत जर पाहिलं तर तिकडे 1 रन कंप्लीट होईल. धावसंख्या जर पाहिली तर 46 झाली आहे. 4 ओव्हरचा खेळ संपला. धावसंख्या झाली आहे 46. 46 आफ्टर 4 ओव्हर्स. लॉस ऑफ 2 विकेट. आणि अजूनही जर पाहिलं तर मॅच जिंकण्यासाठी 18 बॉल 29 18 गेंदे और 29 रनों की आवश्यकता इस मैच को जीतने के लिए. मैच अभी भी बना हुआ है. 50-50 मैच है. कुछ डॉट बॉल मैच के अंदर ऑल मास्टर को लेके आएगी और कुछ यहाँ 6 या 4 आए तो मैच पर पकड़ बना सकती है टीम कांदारी किंग्स। बिग हिट समोर उडवलाय बॉल पाठवला सीमारेषा पार येतोय जैनमच्या बॅट मधून षटकार। प्रियांशूच्या पहिल्याच बॉलवर हल्ला चढवला। 17 बॉल अजूनही मॅच जिंकण्यासाठी कांदारी किंग्सला 23 रन पाहिजेत 23। जैनम या नावाची चर्चा सध्या अंडाराम टर्फ क्रिकेटच्या दुनियेमध्ये जबरदस्त सुरू आहे आणि तेच बॅटिंग करतात सध्या जैनम। आणखीन एक हो 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 अफलातून कॅच पकडली आहे दानिश होते आणि अजूनही मॅच संपलेली नाहीये। ऑल मास्टर सांगतायत आम्ही ही मॅच सोडणार नाहीये। मॅच ऑन। यश टिकल येतात बॅटिंग करण्यासाठी। समीकरण बदललंय 16 बॉल 23 रन 16 गेंदे 23 की आवश्यकता इस मैच को जीतने के लिए कांदारी किंग को ऑल मॉन्स्टर के खिलाफ। एक तरफ जुनेद शरीफ साहब की टीम है, दूसरी तरफ अगर देखा जाए विकी कांदारी और अर्जुन कांदारी साहब की टीम और अभी भी ये मैच बना हुआ है। 16 बॉल 23 रनची आवश्यकता मॅचला जिंकण्यासाठी। हो 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 काय बॉल टाकलाय अफलातून लाजवाब प्रियांशु डॉट 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 बॉल। 15 बॉल 23। यावेळेला समोर उडवलाय बॉल पाठवलाय मात्र सीमा रेषा पार षटकार। काय स्ट्रोक खेळलाय या ठिकाणी यश टिकलने 6 14 बॉल 17 रन। ऑल मॉन्स्टर सुद्धा काही कमी नाहीयेत। ऑल मॉन्स्टरला कमबॅक करावं लागेल आणि प्रियांशूला त्यासाठी विकेट घ्यावी लागेल। 14 बॉल 17। यशने मात्र पहिला बॉल तर अप्रतिम टाकला होता प्रियांशूने, परंतु दुसऱ्या बॉलवर लाजबाब टायमिंग आणि फुटवर्क पाहायला मिळालं आणि सिक्सर खेळलाय तिकडे। या वेळेला देखील स्ट्रोक खेळलाय खरा अडवण्याचा प्रयत्न परंतु नाही थांबला बॉल जाईल सीमारेषेच्या पलीकडे। 4 चौकार। 13 बॉल 13 रन। यशने मॅच खुली केली आहे परंतु पुन्हा एकदा मॅच मध्ये यायचं असेल तर विकेट विकेट विकेटच घ्याव्या लागतील आता ऑल मॉन्स्टरला। आणखीन एक हाही बॉल यशच्या बॅट मधून सीमारेषा पार जातोय। काय स्ट्रोक खेळलाय काय टायमिंग काय बॅटचा फ्लो या सगळ्या गोष्टी पाहायला मिळाल्या। आणखीन एक सिक्सर आलाय 12 बॉल मध्ये 7 रन। ओ हो चांगली फिल्डिंग। यस विकेट आली आहे म्हणजे ही मॅच ऑन आहे। यशला आउट व्हावं लागेल। व्हाईट बॉल. चांगला स्ट्रोक आलाय परंतु तेवढ्याच चांगला अडवलाय. मॅच नाही संपली आहे. 10 बॉलमध्ये 5 रन, 4 विकेट माघारी परतलेले आहेत विजयाच्या दिशेने कांधारी किंग्स. परंतु ऑल मॉन्स्टर म्हणतायत नाही अजून. यावेळेला मात्र स्ट्रोक खेळलाय. ओ जबरदस्त एफर्ट्स तिकडे पाहायला मिळाले. आणखीन एक विकेट. किशन शहा आउट होत आहेत. यस, मॅच नाही सोडणार ऑल मॉन्स्टर सुद्धा. साहिल ललित बॅटिंग करण्यासाठी. 5 विकेट तर गेलेले आहेत. 9 बॉल मध्ये 5 रन. जरी धावा कमी पाहिजे असेल ऑल मॉन्स्टर फाईट करतायत. एरिक चॅम्पियन्स ट्रॉफी सीझन 2 विजय दादा मोजार अँड कंपनीचे जबरदस्त आयोजन. आज अंतिम रात्र आहे या स्पर्धेची. टर्फ क्रिकेटच्या दुनियेतील एक मानाची स्पर्धा. व्हाईट बॉल. 4 रनची आवश्यकता. ओ काय एफर्ट्स पाहायला मिळेल तिकडे. दानिश फारुकी एफर्ट्स दाखवत आहेत. फिल्डिंग तर लाजबाब आहे या खेळाडूची. टीमचे कॅप्टन आहेत ऑल मॉन्स्टरचे. यावेळेला स्ट्रोक चांगला आहे. समोरच्या दिशेने खेळलाय. अडवण्याचा प्रयत्न. 1 रन तिकडे मिळणार आहे. अजूनही मॅच जिंकण्यासाठी 2 रनची आवश्यकता आहे. 7 बॉल 2 रन. यस, चांगला स्ट्रोक. 1 रन घेतलाय. दुसऱ्याही रनचा प्रयत्न आणि या मॅचला जिंकत असताना सेमीफायनल मध्ये टीम कांधारी किंग्स. जबरदस्त परफॉर्मन्स. ऑल मॉन्स्टरही चांगले खेळले परंतु या मॅच मधून त्यांना मागे परतावं लागतंय आणि या मॅच मध्ये जिंकत असताना टीम कांधारी किंग्स सेमीफायनल मध्ये जाते. कौतुक आणि विशेष